Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I will show you how to create friendship bracelet with a triangle decoration using two colors. I will use blue and this dark blue and this pink colors. I have cut cords with a length of about 90 centimeters, that is about 35 inches. So from here to here the length is about 90 centimeters. And first of all I will establish the length of my tie, and I will make a knot, a simple overhand knot at the place where the bracelet begins. So from this knot in this direction we will have the tie, and from here on I will create the bracelet. Here in the middle I will make a forward knot and a backward knot. The forward knot is done by creating the shape of the number 4 like this. I will put my finger under the blue cord, grab the pink cord with a nail, and I will take the yarn out and create the first knot, a forward knot. And now I will create a backward knot. I will make the 4 but in the mirror like this. Again I will put my finger under the blue cord, grab the pink cord, take it out through the loop and create the backward knot. This way. So I have created my first knot here, a forward and a backward knot here in the middle. Now I will make 2 forward knots on this cord here. So one forward knot and the second forward knot, and one forward knot on the second pink yarn and the second forward knot like this. Now I will take the blue yarn and create backward knots. So I'll make one backward knot, the second backward knot, and on the second yarn again I will make one backward knot, and the second backward knot. Now I'll take the blue yarn and create a backward knot like this, and a forward knot like this. Now I'll take this yarn and make one forward knot, the second forward knot, on the second yarn I'll make one forward knot and the second forward knot. Now with the yarn on the left I will make one backward knot, the second backward knot, on the second yarn I will make one backward knot, the second backward knot, Now that I got to this place here, I will take the orange yarn, and on the blue yarn I will make one forward knot and one backward knot, like this. I will take this yarn and make one forward knot, two forward knots, one forward knot, two forward knots. I will take this yarn and make one backward knot, the second backward knot, again one backward knot, second backward knot, and on the pink yarn I will make one backward knot, and one forward knot. Again, I will make one forward knot, a second forward knot, one forward knot, a second forward knot, and I will take the blue yarn. I will make one backward knot, the second backward knot, one backward knot, the second backward knot, and here with the pink yarn I will make one forward knot, and one backward knot. And I will continue, so I will make one forward knot, another forward knot, one forward knot, another forward knot, and backward knots with the blue yarn. So one backward knot, another backward knot, one backward knot, another backward knot, one backward knot, and a forward knot. And so on. So as you can see, the triangles or the wolf teeth are already visible. And I will continue making these triangles or wolf teeth until I reach the desired length of my bracelet. And then I will show you how to make the tie and how to close the bracelet. And now I have finished making the bracelet, and let's create the tie. I will separate the yarns according to their color, and I will start twisting the yarns to the left. I will begin with the blue yarns. Now I will also twist the orange yarns also to the left. So both this and both the blue yarns as well as the pink yarns have been twisted in the same direction to the left. So I will twist until I feel that there is tension in the yarn. Okay, now I will also take the blue yarn. So as I told you, both of them were twisted towards the left. And now I will twist them one around the other, but in the opposite direction, to the right. And now I will make a knot. Like this. Now let's take the other end of the bracelet. I will open this knot. So I will open this knot here. I will grab with the clamp the end of the bracelet. I will separate the yarns, and again I will do the same thing. I will twist the yarns in one direction, so both yarns in the same direction. You can twist them to the right, you can twist them to the left, but it's important that each of the yarns are twisted in the same direction. So for example, you twist them to the left, and then when you twist them around one another, you twist them to the right. If you choose to twist them to the right, both the pink and the blue yarns, then when you twist them around one another, you will twist them in the opposite direction to the left. So let's twist them to the left, each single yarn, until I feel tension in the yarn. So I have twisted one of the yarns. I will grab the yarn with the clamp. I will also twist the blue yarn. Also to the left, until I feel tension in the yarn. And now I take the two yarns and twist them around one another. And now I will make another knot here. Like this. So I will take the scissors and cut the end of the cord. And now the bracelet is ready, and in order to close the bracelet I will twist the cord around my finger. I will create this loop. I will put the cord through this loop like this. Now I will take the other cord, put it through the loop this way, and I will tighten this knot. And now I have made a sliding knot, and by means of this sliding knot I will be able to open and to close my bracelet. This way. So let's see the finished bracelet, what it looks like. So this is what my finished bracelet looks like. As you can see, it has this zigzag pattern, these wolf teeth, these little triangles, and this is what it looks like at the closure.